what lucky people to have this just on the side of their home. It's incredible, and just around the corner from where we live as well. I mean, the whole enigma of Banksy is just something that's kind of worldwide renowned, really.
I think the wit of doing it going uphill when you see the photograph on the Instagram with the guy with the umbrella actually really adds to it, and I'm just so pleased to see it. I've never seen one up close this fresh before, and I'm absolutely blown away by it.
I guess because she sneezed really hard. That's it? Yeah, I guess so. Is that teeth or is that just snot? No, it is.